In today's video, I'll be sharing how I made this Asun Jollof Rice with you. So for this recipe, I'll be using goat's meat. In a pot, I added some washed goat's meat and some onions, chopped onions. Go in with some salt, seasoning powder, some curry powder, paprika powder, and some thyme. Cover this and allow it to cook in its own juice for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, guys, I went on to add some water, and next is to cover again, allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. Depending on the goat's meat you are using, mine took 20 minutes to cook, while some goat's meat can be tougher and may take a bit longer. This is after 20 minutes in total. Our goat meat is well cooked, soft and tender. Next is to scoop out the goat's meat and transfer it into your air fryer. After transferring it into the air fryer, lightly spray some oil on it and then air fry it until it's golden brown. For the jollof rice, heat up some cooking oil in a pot, add your chopped onions, fry this until it's soft and translucent. Then you go on to add some bay leaves. I'm using fresh bay leaves with fresh rosemary leaves. You can use dry one, you don't have to use fresh one. I'm using fresh because this is what I have. Fry this again for another 2 minutes, then you go on to add your tomato paste. After adding your tomato paste, please take your time to fry it. Do not rush this step, fry it well until it loses its raw taste. While that is frying, let's prepare our pepper mix. For this, I use red bell pepper, ginger, garlic, and some chili. For the chili, you can adjust it to your taste or to your spice level. Blend this very well and add it to your fried tomato paste. Fry this for another 10 minutes. Next is to season it with some curry powder, some seasoning powder, some salt, and some oregano. Stir well until it's combined. Then you go on to add your washed rice. Mix this gently and then you go in with your beef stock. And some water. You don't need too much water in your jollof rice, just a little above the rice is fine. Stir well to combine, then you cover and allow it to cook for just 20 minutes. While that is cooking, let's go on to check our goat's meat. This is well fried. As you can see, it's looking very delicious. Now you debone the goat's meat and then you cut them into small bite sizes. This is our goat meat after deboning them and cutting them into small bite sizes. After 20 minutes, guys, our rice is fully cooked. Stir this very well to combine, then you set it aside. A quick shout out to all my new subscribers. You are welcome and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And if you are new here, please leave a comment. I would love to say a big thank you and welcome you properly. Guys, we post delicious recipe here every week. Let's prepare the asun. Heat up some cooking oil in a pan. Then you go in with your sliced onions, your pepper mix. Fry this for 3 minutes. Add some seasoning. You can add any seasoning of your choice. Here I use paprika, garlic powder, and some curry powder. Add some salt as well, then mix it. Next, you'll be going in with your chopped goat meat. Stir this very well. Allow this to cook for 2 minutes so the flavor can come together nicely. Next is to go on to add your bell peppers. I'm using both red, yellow and orange bell peppers here. Add them together and give this a good stir. Once that is done, guys, set this aside and combine it into your jollof rice. Guys, our Asun Jollof Rice is ready. This tastes so good, guys. Will you be trying? Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.